Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is a pet animal. Second, hat. This is my hat. 3. Doctor. Doctor treats sick people. Doctor treats sick people. Fourth, pen. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. Fifth, car. I travel by car. I travel by car. Sixth, park. I go to park with my parents. I go to park with my parents. Seventh, lotus. Lotus is a beautiful flower. Lotus is a beautiful flower. Eighth, games. I play games with my friends. I play games with my friends. Ninth, ice cream. I love to eat ice cream. I love to eat ice cream. 10. Chair. This is a chair. This is our car. Go. I go to school. I go to school. Home. I am at home. 3. I have 3 books. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.